tahun ini Summer Dance Camp itu diadain lagi di Gandaria City. Seneng banget dengan tema kita tahun ini yaitu Future Perfect. Kita mengundang banyak banget koreografer yang keren-keren banget, dan hari ini juga akan ada acara exploration yaitu battle, dan juga ada medley semua kelas-kelas di Gigi Art of Dance, totalnya ada 33 kelas, dan juga malamnya akan ada SDC intensif dan juga pertunjukan dari semua koreografer yang hadir. Pokoknya bakal keren banget, aku seneng banget ngelihat semuanya tuh bisa aktif lagi, bisa seneng nari lagi bareng-bareng. Dan terima kasih banyak untuk semua teachers, staff, dan juga koreografer yang sudah mendukung acara ini. Dan juga tentu saja para murid-murid dan juga orang tua yang selalu mendukung kami. So tentu aja seperti biasa Gigi Art of Dance, I hope you dance. Enjoy!
Yuka. I'm Japanese and I'm from Singapore, and my experience teaching at SDC is like fantastic. The students there is so passionate, they're so motivated to dance, and I just thought teaching, I also got the inspiration to just want to dance more, want to explore more, and it's just fantastic. Thank you so much.
I'll be ready for you around the clock. Yeah, living how you want.
Hello, I'm Songchan from South Korea.
Hi, I'm Faris Azim. I'm from Malaysia and I'm from Zeprian Stage and Skasbar.
Hello, hi, I am Fairul Zahid. I am from La Salle College Sharia School of Dance and Theatre.
SDC 2023 이벤트에 참여하게 됐는데 초대해 주셔서 너무 감사드리고 Gigi Art of Dance 최고예요. 사랑합니다. Thank you.
I'm super happy with the outcome of the class. I see that everyone is willing to explore, and also everyone is really trying to do what they never do before. So yeah, I'm so happy with the outcome, and yeah, thank you for coming once again.
Program Summer Dance Camp like this have to continue. Bukan dalam jangka masa yang pendek tetapi jangka masa yang panjang. Dan sebagai seorang pensyarah, koreografer dan juga dancer, pengalaman ini adalah satu pengalaman yang saya tidak akan dapat lupakan. I never forget this experience, and I hope that Gigi Studio can go beyond this, you know, maybe into international level and so on and so forth. Kerana saya percaya bahawa Gigi dan juga dancers mereka mempunyai kelebihan yang sangat banyak. Dan saya sebagai salah seorang tenaga pengajar sangat berpuas hati, bukan saja penari-penarinya tetapi layanan yang sangat special. I wish you all the best and great experience in Summer Dance Camp 2023.
우린 달리 말이 필요 없어 No me with you I can feel it Top of the world like a bird and we won't stop 이번엔 내가 돼 너를 위한 paradise 다시는 오지 않으러는 we don't hesitate Shooting for the stars 어떤 밤이라도 함께 And I don't know the road that life is gonna take next But I'ma keep on going till I make it to the apex
어둠이 지난 후엔 항상 고단한 날의 sunshine Say that we can fly high 고민거리 잡지 못해 너의 두발
I'll be ready for you around the clock Yeah, living how you wanna live it up Yeah, 내 미손 잡고 일어나 어떤 어려움이 와도 우리 믿고 걸어가
Hello, I'm Eugenia. I'm Chloe.
I'm Valerie.
And I'm Dayal.
And we are from Singapore LaSalle College of the Arts.
We've had a wonderful time here in Jakarta with Gigi Art of Dance, and it's been an amazing experience teaching a few workshops and also learning so much from everyone that we've met here. We're very excited for the performances coming, and perhaps we'll be back some other time.
You guys have such amazing energy and we're so grateful to be here, and we can't wait to be back soon. Bye! Bye!
Thank you, bye!
Hello, my name is Joanna. I'm from Italy and we live in Dubai together.
My name is Brendan Hansford and I'm from the UK, but again live in Dubai with this amazing person.
My experience to teach in the class, it was really challenging for everyone because they are different level, and it was a bit hard for everyone to, in just 2 days, performing everything, the performing of 3 minutes. And it was challenge, really good energy, and the girls are amazing because they want to learn a lot. They learn very fast, and it was good.
Mine's going to be a similar thing. Yeah, in the classroom, we had so many different levels, from like professionals down to people still coming into the world of dance. So being able to balance that's always a hard thing. And together, you know, we really kind of separate the room and put them into the sections to try and make it look like a professional piece with all these incredible levels. But the girls are great. The girls are absolutely amazing. They picked up so fast. On the first day, I think we taught the majority of the choreography, didn't we? It was crazy. And we literally just come off a flight, so we were knackered and we weren't expecting to teach that much, and we just kept going and going. And so our experience with Gigi and the dancers, it's just been incredible, and they're a proper powerhouse of girls, so we love that stuff.
Thank you so much.
So yeah, thank you for having us.
우린 달리 말이 필요 없어 No me with you I can deal with it Top of the world,